Tagalog, Bisaya, maing kunti-kunti.
Alam mo, ginagago tayo nitong Chinese national to. Marunong ka managalog at magbisaya eh. How can he obtain a license? Yung license to possess firearms. How can he do that? Paano siya magkakaroon ng lisensya? Hindi man siya marunong managalog, hindi siya marunong magbisaya.
这个以前应该几年前哦，
Ginagago tayo nito.
有认识以前一个警察吧，他说他有问我要不要买一根枪嘛，好，就是他当时就说他去帮我，就是我拿我的证件了，他去给我买，再帮我去申请这个枪证，这样。
请问那个名字叫什么？你知道吗？
那个我英文名也忘记了，那个好就是几年前了，因为这个英文的我都不懂得记。
Okay. So before a few years ago, there was a police who offered me and asked me if I want to buy a gun.
Who is that police?
According to Mr. Yang that I asked a while ago, so he doesn't know the name, the English name because he doesn't know English.
Alam mo, ginagago tayo nitong Chinese national to. Marunong ka managalog at magbisaya eh. Kunwari lang, hindi ka marunong eh. I know you understand Tagalog and the Visayan language. Ginagago mo kami. You're making a fool out of us Filipinos here.
It's really saddening na kung paano tayo paiikutin at babastusin lang nitong mga Chinese nationals na ito.